before everybody I just want come on. Say players no obi unconfirming say nsa kan tika.
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. Unze no Ukrainian menim bank it started say omutiaka. Sometimes it takes some time.
Yeah. I mean 3 working days
yes,
or so.
Depending
on bank, you know.
Yeah, it depends on the bank. Under normal circumstances, the first people know should get it after 48 hours. Then Omoma can also will start getting their credit. But you see how it's here. Pay checks there, player be unconfirmed. Say indeed, Nensa Akan say the account has been credited, but say no edit to Jano. They've been informed. Say Omotia. The ama almost. So that is the latest on the account.
Okay. All right, to Majuso, NTNFA Cup and 64. Na Asante Korone Future Stars nkwana akase yebebo afio na afi yenya aye teams na omonso no qualify akobo aye run 32 of the ongoing NTNFA Cup and nsugusu ekoso no na anra said the edika bomo mane no Kotoko ko dweso amne Future Stars edna akobo game no call no we no na Kumasi Asante Korone ashem yenu ama Future Stars ati ekano aye back. In fact, Future Stars ND can share first go a bantam ama give no aye pint. Ye first half on the na Kotoko da form back home into the second half. Kotoko came into the game edna almost sa true Ibejaw edna Peter Amidu Akwa omenya 2 goals no edi ama aye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ntino is around 32 no Kumasi Asante Kotoko from the Premier side no so aba be teams to be to say Diana Suadro All Blacks Karela Dreams Nations Samatex Mediema Pando Out of Lions Young Apostles Brekum Chelsea Gold Stars 11 Wonders and Kumasi Asante Kromo and a team from the Premier side no also advance here Elcomanim award the N10 FA Cup into 2-1 and a game we na your poor game no Abrante first Salim onu sia kind of ma a Future Stars or in some way and the 2 after the game no and so a call anyway
the ma nini na the share your crime pie ye pennyphone because some catch say especially a coach or catch say on the pitch in the normal people all those here the more respect off the pitch but on the pitch in the normal players I was able and the motivate my team ball game it me ball defensive midfield and a box to box with me ball me ball most of the time so from this defensive role mostly ayana me height into center back into ba right back ni left back ni na metimi abo
what is that Kotoko
sana metiti ba me dem yem adwuma at the end of the day no ye hwe de nyame be
so mo am be kan hwe obi ant kan hwe ntiro Kotoko bi anfrɛ
o minya
Kotoko started kasa and the you ready you warm up
okay enti eno ye pon game na Brent Fence Salim and now the sankomi at the etuda so Kumasi Asante Korone ka say run 32 almost Aquacocan Premier League teams you know and so 2-1
first of all okay team he has a film was a true life
yeah the Ocean 2
he has no me be kan sembi na me ka say rich born I dey chire yen nyina yenim how big teams a bomb season. So mo pre-season. I'll be run into the first 10 matches of omu season proper now. Big team bia enya at least 80 to 90% of omu first 11. Any omu substitutions backups for the premium competition which is omu league or mobile. So omu involved in continental trophy be say Champions League and that's a CAF Champions League near there. The Ayana in Pimpin a team no modibo league now. The same and no modibo say continental trophies. But the major smaller competitions be say FA Cup. Rich say a started competition now. Say competition endru ni pompon so be say quarter finals, semi finals, finals.
And normally be a wish on young premier side.
Now top beer. Aya na impempi no team a character or the book FA Cup no and say or the players are omuntai nya bimbo.
They're kind of fringe, no?
Fringe players. Any players are omuyan cry. They are looking for opportunities in the team. Any players are they are good enough to be first team players, but bibi normal ba kumienu binti ebi o prafe na oba ebi a competition binti onya bimbo na omudo ma blende. There are even sometimes players be they've broken through the first 11, but coaches never so more consistent match fitness. Na oma blending the camera. Enunti say we a big team. Na o squad in the depth no. And your quality enough, you will struggle in the FA Cup. Rich, Enra. So we Kotoko team on the ball Enra game na. Mo Kamara boy. Joseph Amwa, in absence of Patrick Esiedu and a ball 3. Sir Osha Hamzata and Zakaria Fusenia. And the normal circumstances, Kotoko elbow 4 and 5. A Samba Oner Ablo and a Samba Ansu and Abibisa. But anyway, they could bench Omunina and they came there. And Hamzata and Zakaria Fuseni elbow. Then they played Lord Amwa. Oben Fiifi wa. Rich, Kotoko decided to play players on a normal day you see them playing. Adabo boy, Seth Kojo boy, Ubejo boy. Then the front train anywhere anymore. Where the players are in him say on any good day, say Kotoko gamer, Omona Kotoko be you see omo. I think on the right, Peter Amidou Aqua, center forward, Neymar. Then on the left, and I'm really every player needing one of those players no more anymore. Only did Philip Amon. And see, those were the players Kotoko started with. The point I want to make and say, Rich, Sir Ofa Kotoko first 11 is Siwa. Now all the substitutions are Kotoko yeah. Kotoko later brought Aqua. Ebeyi Joseph Amwa, our left back. In Fiifi, omo de Baba Yabaye. Omo de this young boy, Mrefini, the young Kotoko youth team player. Omo de Nibemu. They brought in Kwame Poku. And you could clearly see say, the quality of Kotoko depth no. And then we really game in the it is as simple as that. Kotoko, even in the midst of injury problems Rich, they could still rotate their team and still have quality in depth to win.
Lawson Junior.
Yes. They brought him in the second half.
And also he came
6 Obemna Mibusa, one of Kotoko and Penny Fone said, the position Anka says saying also a winger. And I'm saying, but number 6 in the Bible, and also he is intelligent enough, he will be able to play. And he did. I think he played in the last 15-10 minutes of the game. Now, Rich, aside Asamama King, I still think, say, Coach Karim Zito, he need to up his game. Me who Kotoko line up now? Say, Odi Evan say Obi Otie Mekas O Ayala. Say, Enya wona aye coach. Odi awoye no, armchair coach in a analysis say you are so comfortable in your air conditioner how can they open, but that is our job. Rich, me and to be team besine why Kotoko must start a game against Future Stars LOKC and Kotoko only 2 strikers a what team no, none of them started the game. Why? Because Kotoko started here no, Morfin to bench, Kwame Poku to bench, and a Walid name and Ebo 9. Azumi say Morfin is looking for confidence. Kwame Poku after the injury, is also struggling to score the goals and to upper confidence. Rich, game baby, and now the more confidence than FA Cup against Future Stars. And Obia no ko kese park biane bayadin say, Rich, timer FA Kwame Poku be mu a oye no striker no. He gave the assist to Jau Akotoko the taker. And his presence Dintintimai, Emma, Pitamidu, second goal. You could clearly see there's a striker there. And this Division 1 teams, Rich, I have signed no money at the Buomo. Or who say, hey, only Kwame Poku Nebo. 4 and 5, Onyan Hobonko. And Kwame Poku, he was able to occupy them. In the position where he was able to give Kotoko some reference points in and around the box as a striker. And me Coach Karim to again. And I will not know any justifiable idea ever convince me say it was the right decision not to play any of the two strikers in the game against Future Stars. Rich, Future Stars for only gave a very, very good account for themselves. Who said that is what the FA Cup gives you. The opportunity to showcase their war to Omua on a normal day, they will not come and watch you. Me chantro. Future Stars will come. Omubo games will kiss it. Me nkoshe ebida. But once a FA Cup I Kotoko dem ko hono. And they so people say Future Stars are quality players ah. Meti me dia dance say omo number 10 ya ade. Omo 4 and 5 ni ade. Omo number 6 ni ade. And no Ghana no so 7 games here or share first goal no super player. Torres the almost like Torres the minimum because me who no community gala bebre for Ejoso. Rich, I know we watch a very, very good game. I think say the character FA Cup came to bear at the first minute, Emma Future Stars for your goal, but Kotoko the almost squad in depth, any seniority, any experience, and a bit me edgy game, no, every Future Stars for no, and some omotimi are progressing, and they come. So those were my observations for annual game near Kosher, My last one, Ebeye, na me catch a Kotoko paying for be say. Rich, maybe a modern game that could do. They should take set for Fiifi. Set pieces, they should take it serious. Sure.
We are going to Mizami.
And round. Now,
Menka, sorry, we are
becoming the
we are Mama story.
Oh, give us a story.
Yeah, give us
and round.
A large cruiser, I know that I can't have friends. No, the Fiifi knows that. One can't chances to see a bima.
Rich, and now observe something. Kotoko bo Hamzata. And his career for seniors almost 4 and 5. Okra wa no am hwe game ni say Hamzata gina wona za career for senior gina wa Hamzata wa the brave. Kotoko bo set pieces a corner free kicks. Based on the direction of baby I almost kick ball and free. In the background oboko na ni bia e ko second pole. Second pole no e ko bia na ko si career for senior so. But also so that any height be brave to make use of baby adeneba no. Nti Kotoko ball bako mienu miensa and I make us if you have a set piece analyst or tiwa he will tell you say okay say if that is how we are going to play see a baby ane be second power then let's change the position of Hamzata and Zakaria Fuseni based on baby original boxing him now Hamzata bom no one enko second power because it seems that when I kick sling na eko obetimi ahead aba back into play as in owini first header no and as so onya free header bia obetimi head the ball no straight to go obetimi aye o hwe game na menka say in the absence of minimum sanity I am not saying Kotoko doesn't train on set pieces because menko Kotoko training grounds but based on anywhere they me Rich say even if they train on it they should do better. Yes.
Okay. Kofi, enje adwuma no ma.
Yeah, Kotoko set piece coaching. See, I'm not trying to make boy be do me no more BT. Why here na skase na be problem.
Okay. So I large groups are in there so I can be.
I like main couches. This is also be say me.
Mean say
Go say me. Yeah, we
want and come on me boy.
No, what you? I let you go na catch water because defamation between you and
heavy.
It's I think that yesterday it was a good exercise. Yeah. One thing that FA Cup no mau as a team is that a mau chance for season the players no money fates no French ones no will get to play more games. So if we FA Cup need them a lot of players better actually win a bit more. So it's a good one say Kotoko team and the step forward. Again last season Kotoko are the holders of the FA Cup. So defending it will bring them some pride and at a just so no definitely was able to give them some win. In fact, Mimish Mankwango she game nibi. But me follow game and say 1-1. I'm say, are we going to? Because I remember a couple of days ago, I make us Kotoko winning game. I was saying and if it had happened again, which I understand it might affect the psyche of the team, psychologically affects the team. But the fact that they're able to get a last minute goal from Pitami Duako, the new video, the flick from a branch of Fred Kwampoko was good. And the man don't drop in here easy, no? Because Kwampoko flick body here, man, and there he had it. Congratulations to them.
Header assist
Yeah,
to Jau
yeah,
for the first
yeah,
goal.
first one, yeah.
Oh,
See, Kwame Mouse had here, no?
Second goal, no outside.
no.
Oh, from the naked eye, I can't
Okay,
tell.
okay. I don't want to mention his name. One of me senior colleague in this industry. Na Omujina Park in so.
Okay.
From baby Omujina no, they are better positioned to see the outside line from baby because na me Omujina. You ever say go na go pour the share no. Omo VIP ni ewo sa po nechi.
Okay.
It's me Japan nechi. Yeah, pon game no. Oba response said there was an element of an offside. But Rich, me drew fear now. Also, Kotoko have posted the highlights now. Make sure highlights them see you. Okay, you could be right, but over the sequence of the action now, you can give the referee the benefit of the doubt because any clear say we or them.
Yeah.
Flick ne ban so on so move ya ban nyina at the same time so ebi e some microseconds bibi kitu bi where only me games in the back here boss in adi. Yes, it could be.
Okay, Govi. Yeah, be na wako judgment na.
Scanning na me.
Hona kakra na na mse be hard.
Me board na.
Receive ne so no de ho no.
Receive na na.
Reference give this a reference.
Yes, coach Nuru. Na game bi ode share on so Kofi ye ho adwuma.
Ba wo say di papa.
Say ni papa jo.
You ready is. Obi ba do wenya na no pay. We
me ma account dey see. Ani yes go jama duma. Ko ye adwuma kama. Odi bibia taxes bi say do musi approach game no. Onko na shaking face a.
E duru Kotoko phone dey do adwuma no ba.
Ti yes wana Alhaji Guza. E frɛ Coach Nuru. No so nipa no. So see e bi mu a.
Dem because o dey Kotoko phone dey adwuma no ba.
Okay.
O mu vre Nuru. O vre Nuru na Nuru say nya enye.
Go reference.
Okay, entry umra na into edwuma dey no so ma Nhyira 104.5